Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will start numerical of unit number 5, gravitation. So numerical number first state that Pluto's moon Charon is unusually large considering Pluto's size, giving them the character of a double planet. Their masses are 1.25 multiplied 10 raised to the power 22 kg, and the second one mass is 1.9 multiplied 10 raised to the power 21 kg, and their average distance from one another is 1.96 multiplied 10 raised to the power 4 kilometer. So what is the gravitational force between them? So we will find out the gravitational force between these two moons. First of all, we will write the given data. So mass m1 is how much? So mass m1 is 1.25 multiply 10 raised to the power 22 kg, while the mass of the second moon is 1.9 multiply 10 raised to the power 21 kg. Now the distance between them is we represented by r is how much? 1.96 multiply with 10 raised to the power 4 kilometer. Now we will convert this kilometer into meter, so it will become 1.96 multiply 10 raised to the power 4, and instead of kilo we will write here 10 raised to the power 3 meter. Kilo mean 10 raised to power 3. So the distance r will become 1.96 multiply 10 raised to the power. Now we will add both the power, so 4 plus 3 become 7. So the distance is how much in meter? 1.96 multiply 10 raised to the power 7 meter. And we know that the value of G is constant, which is 6.67 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square, and the required is gravitational force. So we have to find out the gravitational force now. So for solution, what we will do, so we know that F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square. Now we will put the value in this formula. So instead of G, we will put the value of G, which is 6.67 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 11 multiply with m1. So m1 is how much? 1.25 multiply with 10 raised to the power 22. Then m2, so multiply with m2. 1.9 multiply 10 raised to the power 21, and then we will divide it by r square. So r is how much? R is 1.96 multiply 10 raised to the power 7. It's square, so we will put whole square on it. So F will become, So first what we will do, we will multiply 6.67 with 1.25, then we will multiply with 1.9. So when we multiply 6.67 with 1.25 and then multiply with 1.9, so it will become 15.84. Now we will put one base, 110 is here, one is here and one is here, so we will put 110 and we will now add the power. So minus 11 plus 22 and plus 21. Plus 21, and when we take square of 1.96, so it will become 3.84, and 10 raised to power 7, so 7 2s are 14, so it will become 10 raised to the power 14 now. Now if is equal to 15.84 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 11 plus 22 and plus 21, so when we add and subtract this, so it will become 32. Now according to law of exponent, it is 10 raised to the power plus 14, so now it will become 10 raised to the power minus 14 when it's reached upward. Divide by 3.84. So when we divide 15.84 by 3.84, so it will become 4.125 in 10 raised to power 32 minus 14, so 32 minus 14, so it will become 10 raised to the power 18 Newton. So it's mean both the moons exert this much force on each other, 4.125 multiply with 10 raised to the power 18 Newton. Thanks for watching the videos.